Hello everyone, welcome to African Nut Food. I hope everybody is well. Today we are making palm nut soup with a bit of twists. We're going to add peanut butter into it. So we are going to have this soup with konkonte. So we have our cassava flour here, and here we have our fish. We have a catfish, smoked catfish, Plekese. We have smoked grilled mackerel. We have a mushroom, chestnut mushroom. We have a peanut butter, 2 teaspoons of peanut butter. We have 1 large onion, diced, and here we have our ginger, garlic, and onion, and aniseed. And we have our salt here. We have our scotch bonnets, 2 tomatoes. And then we have our palm nut base here, palm cream that we are going to use. And here we have our salted meat. So we have hostel, we have a bit of goat meat, and we have a bit of tripe here as well that we're going to use. So please take it. So I'm adding my diced onion into on the meat, and I'm going to add salt. So I will have 1 teaspoon of salt on the meat. There. And then I'm going to leave it and stir a bit. And I'm going to blend the ginger and the onion and the garlic and add this into it as well. Now I'm adding the blended onion, garlic, and the ginger also. And I'm going to cover this and leave it to cook for about. So here I'm adding my palm base, palm cream, into this pot. I'm going to add more water and cook my palm separately from the meat, and I will add it once it's finished. So in palm sauce cream, I'm going to add the peanut butter. Like I said earlier, I have 2 tablespoons of peanut butter that I'm adding. Here I'm going to leave them to cook together, and we can add this to our meat after that's done. I'm also adding 1 tablespoon of tomato paste in there, and I'm also gonna add the fresh tomatoes and the pepper as well. 3 scotch bonnets there together. So I'm taking the tomatoes out and blend it, and also the pepper. So I'm adding the fish, the catfish, also my mackerel there, and the mushrooms as well. And my blended pepper and tomatoes. I'm gonna add this one as well. Yeah. And cover this and wait for the palm sauce to be ready and add it to it. So now I'm adding the palm and the peanut butter mix into the soup now. The reason why I did this way, it makes the soup goes quicker and easier as well. This soup, it smells so nice. Yeah. So we're going to leave it to cook, and it will be ready the next 10 minutes. So while our soup is cooking, we're going to make our konkonte. So I've added water here, 3 cups of water, warm water, and boil. So now I'm going to add my konkonte into it. So what you do, you put it bit by bit and you stir like that. So I'm going to do about 3 cups of konkonte. So this is the konkonte. So now I have adding it, have turned into a dough. So now it's a bit hard, so I'm going to add water into it. Always add hot water into it. Yeah, I'm going to add about half a cup of water into it and leave it to cook a bit. So our konkonte is almost done. Nice konkonte. If anybody have different name also, you should give me, because I know about 2 or 3. I know konkonte, I know abetie, I know lapewa, I know face the wall. If you have more names, please send it to me. Send it to me. I want to know. It's my favorite food. So I want to know all the names that konkonte have. Yeah, it's almost done. Okay. Yeah. So our soup is ready. It's done. Our konkonte also is ready here. So I'm going to dish this and show you. Look at this. This beautiful abenkati and quine. And it smells nice. It smells beautiful, and it goes with konkonte. You can have with mutu as well, or fufu, normal fufu, garlic fufu. You can even have with rice. Yeah. So this is for lunch. Today is Sunday, so Sunday lunch. Nicely. Not too much meat. Yeah, we're going on a diet on the meat. So more mushroom in here, and also I'm going to add my okra soup that I make earlier. I'm going to put this one on the side. Look at this. Put this one on the side. Konkonte without okra, it doesn't go at all. So you always have to add your okra soup or okra soup on the side and enjoy it. So that's it. Thank you for coming today. I hope this was helpful. Try this dish. Let me know. Comment, like, share, and subscribe. And we will see you soon. Thanks for coming. Bye.